This is a short descriptive video of a non-flip clock this time. It is the Synchrotronic 109 by ITT. Let's call it a successor of the flip clock. As you can see, it's more of a digital clock. This clock is actually new in box, not mint in box or nor near mint or used once or twice. It's brand new in box. I've got the original box, the original instarts, the original manual warranty card, everything. Clock has never been properly used. It kind of looks like one of those old style computers from back in the day. It's blinking now because it's asking me to set the time and also the alarm. Let's just do that. The date, once you've done all that, it stops blinking. In any case, it has a radio with FM, volume knob for the radio. Here you can control the radio stations. You can stop the alarm. There's a sensor which dims the clock when it gets dark. Not much else to say about it other than that it's really cool.